Hello, hope you're well today. I'm going to show you how you can make one of these today. Little sweet treat. Yes, Christmas is on its way. Get it all done in November and then you've got December to sit back and enjoy yourself. I'm Sally Jacks. Don't forget to subscribe and join the family. That's the way I'm going to be able to carry on doing this as much as I can, is obviously if it grows and grows and grows as a family on YouTube. And the only way of doing that is not me, but it's you. So thank you so much if you've already subscribed. Did you know to subscribe is completely free of charge? It costs you nothing to subscribe to YouTube. Yes, so it doesn't cost you anything. Nothing's leaving your bank account. So all you need to do is click that subscribe button. You've also got a little bell notification that's just down here that you can also press, and that will tell you when my video has been uploaded for that day. I'm going to try and do it every single day, as much as I can, and hopefully I'll be able to keep up with that. But the only way I can keep up with this full stop is, of course, if you're subscribing and you're joining that YouTube family. So to make this today, I'm going to show you what you need. You need a KitKat, you need a knopper bar, or something of that sort of size. You want it to be, if you can see, smaller in size than the KitKat, and you can see why once we've got this. Can you see that it's the smaller stepper upper before the little bear goes on the front? You can also get Santas as well, but I haven't found them yet. I've found the massive ones, but I haven't found the smaller ones. What else do you need? Chocolate puds. I got those from B&M. The knoppers bar I got from B&M. You actually get them as a pack of 4. KitKat I think I got from B&M as well, because you get a pack of 4 for £1. I've also got gold, and but obviously you can do these in any colours that you want, but I wanted to do that sort of gold and red theme, which is so traditional and deluxe for Christmas. So I've got wrapping paper of this, got big rolls of it. I've also got some red velvet material, which I was telling you about yesterday if you watched my vlog. If you're following me, I've got some, like I said, if I can translate it and if I can do it, if I've got time, because of course this is all in my free time, I will do. Please subscribe, and also share it out and tell your friends and family to subscribe as well, so it just grows and grows and grows for me. That'd be absolutely superb. Love you very much if you would. Also, you've got a reel. This has come from the range. I think this was around about £1. And I put a little bell which came in a pack, and I think I got these for £1.50. Oh, and then your little bear that goes on the front. You don't have to use the lint ones. I just went a little bit more expensive for the vlog for YouTube. I might try and even do a bit cheaper, but actually 2 for 65 pence was actually quite cheap on the high street for what I was looking out for. So, oh, and of course you need the candy canes. Again, B&M, I got a big pack of these, so I'm going to take these out. Now, you just have to bear with me because I am not an experienced YouTuber, hopefully yet. And so my filming methods aren't the best, but I'm hoping if I can just bend this down here and then you can see what I'm doing. Here we go. I'm hoping you can see what I'm doing. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see. Right, so here we go. First of all, if you can see, I've got the, these are the running tracks for the sleigh, and then I've used the KitKat as the bottom one. So I'm going to wrap that. Oh, also you need a glue gun. I've just burnt myself on mine. Only a cheapie. You can pick those up from anywhere for basically around about £5. For some of the bigger projects I do use an industrial glue gun, which gets a lot hotter. But for this project, because you're working with food, I've just used this one. It doesn't hardly get hot at all, although that burnt a little bit. Oh, and I use these. This is sellotape. You can actually get refills to go in there, but I use these for wrapping my presents as well because they're just so awesome. So all you want to do, that's a little bit big for this, isn't it? And I wonder if it should have gone that way. Probably should have gone that way. And then I'll cut it off. Here we go. So get wrapping. Now these I also think will be phenomenal for little sweetie treats at the dinner table on Christmas Day, or if you're having a dinner party. You know, that's obviously going to be up to you when you use it. I'm actually sending these to all Frankie Jack's school friends instead of doing Christmas cards. because I just think they'll remember it. And for me, it's about building the memories for the kids. That's why I love doing all this. I had a remarkable childhood for memories for Christmas, and I think that's why I love it so much. And I want Frankie Jack to have the same. So what you're going to do is you're going to run a little bit of glue gun down the middle of your candy cane, and you're going to stick the first one on like so. Now you want to put them to as far to the side as you can, purely and simply because that will stand better if you did do that. So hopefully that has relatively stuck, and then I can do the second one and put this on. There we go. Okay, so that's your first part, right? So just put that to one side, and I'm going with a knoppers bar. By the way, these are so tasty. You might find yourself eating them all. So then we're going to wrap the knoppers bar. And of course, don't forget you can do these with any sweets that you want to. You don't have to follow what I've done. These are just what I found would be good sizing for what I was wanting to do and how I was wanting to build it up. But I know a friend of mine, actually this is where I got the idea from, a friend of mine at work, Dan, one of the directors, did it one Christmas for his guests when they came around on Christmas Day, and I thought it was absolutely awesome. So then we wrap the second one. I'm wrapping these very quickly, by the way, so my wrapping might not be to the best standard. So there we go. So you've got your next one. So I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue on this. You don't need that much. And I'm going to place that to the back. Can you see? Can you see what I mean? So I'm placing it to the back. Feels like a bit like Blue Peter. Then I'm going to get my red velvet. Now, your red velvet, you can pick up anywhere. However, you want the cheapest you can find, so shop around. I don't often find some of the places near where I am are the cheapest, but I've just found one sort of on the back of Beyond that's really good for the pricing. You want 3 balls. The reason being is once you've lifted this up into the 4 corners, if you have them flat, it gives you a better look of the sack. Can you see what I mean? So you've got the 3 balls at the bottom. Then I've cut a little bit of that rope ribbon that I got from the range. I was telling you that this was, I think it was about £1, and I put a little bell on there. So I'm going to take, oh, hang on, let me just get the balls right in the middle because I want it to sit correctly. Right, there we go. Then I'm going to tie that around like so. Pull it tight and around again. And then I'm going to tie a knot. Nails sometimes aren't the bestest things to have when you're doing things like this. That's it, pull that out, can you see? And then tie it again. And then I'm just going to snip off the ends because they look. There we go, that looks like Santa's sack. And I'm going to put a little bit on there. Like I say, it's not as hot, isn't this glue gun? So going for a cheaper glue gun is better. And then I'm going to put a little bit on the front here. And that's where my, now, like I said, you can get Santas, but I've gone for these little lint because that's the cheapest that I found. And then there you go. That's your little gift for Christmas for somebody. Now that could be for somebody that we don't spend much money on, but we say thank you. It could be for the kids in the classroom. It could be that you're making things to give away for a craft fair, but it's really simple and really easy to put together. You've seen that can be, I mean, this, I've been talking as well, but this vlog's going to be sort of about 10 minutes and that's all, and you're done. So there we go. That's your sleigh ride for Christmas. Hope you've enjoyed. Just going to tip you back up to me now. Oh, sorry, hand over the camera. I know, I'm not a director, I'm not a producer. I'm just used to whittering in front of the camera for TV. Here we go. So those are your sleigh rides. I love them and I think they look so attractive. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to join the YouTube family. It's always lovely to have you on board. And hopefully, fingers crossed, thumbs up. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.